Hey there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no talk. January was just a super busy month for me, but I tried to get back into filming, and today I want to share with you this very nice quinoa winter salad. So we're still not really over the winter month, so this is still appropriate even though I filmed it a while back, and I hope you enjoy watching this. You want to start out with a sweet potato, and you want to cut it into quite small pieces, like maybe 1 centimeter wide and 1 centimeter long, just a little cubicle. Just like that. You want to put them in a bowl, and you want to add a little bit of olive oil as well as some salt, and if you want you can add some other spices as well, so maybe some nutmeg or some pepper or even some chili, whatever you like. So we try to stay quite simple and just added some salt. Then you want to spread them on a baking sheet with some baking paper, and you want to spread them out evenly so they don't touch each other too much. And then you want to bake them with 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. While you're doing that, you want to go ahead and prepare your quinoa. You just want to see what your packaging says. So I'm using about half a cup of quinoa for this. And then I'm adding a good cup, maybe a little bit more of water. And you want to let that boil for I think about 15 minutes, and then let that sit until the water is completely soaked up. I also prepared some cheese. So here you can see we spread some hot paste on it, and then you want to fry that in a pan. I lost the footage for that, but you know how to fry things up. So just throw it in a pan with some olive oil and fry them up nicely. Next, you want to prepare all your ingredients like cucumber, avocado, tomatoes, whatever you like, some lettuce as well, and you want to put that all in a bowl. You also can add your sweet potato and stuff like that. Now we want to make a sauce. You want to take some mustard and add some honey to that, as well as a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of soy sauce, and some garlic. And then you want to mix that up, and then you can throw it on top. So you want to combine all of that in a bowl now and mix it gently. It's a salad, you know what to do with it. Just mix it gently, and then you're ready to enjoy. I love quinoa salads. I think they're very nice also for winter time. I hope you give this a try, and I hope you have a lovely day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.